Number 15 says, when does this times this give you 0? So either this piece comes out to be 0 or this piece has to be 0. So when we solve these, we'll start with this guy first. I add 3 to both sides. 6 times the cosine of x is 3. Divide by 6. You're going to get 3/6, which you and I know is the same as 1/2. So we're looking for where's the cosine of x a half. We'll come over to the graph here and figure it out in a second. The other situation is when is 4 times the sine of x minus 2 equal to 0. Well, we add 2. 4 times the sine of x equal to 2. Divide by the 4, and you're going to see we're going to get the same thing. We're looking for when is the sine of x 1/2. So we're looking for, hey, where's the cosine of x a half and the sine of x a half? Well, right here, our very first point here at 30 degrees, we know that's √3/2, 1/2. The sine value is a half right there. So this is 30 degrees. But where else is it a half? Where else does the height go up a half? Well, that's also going to be right here at 150 degrees, where it's gone over -√3/2 and up a half. So for this one, we have answers of 30 degrees and 150. Now we're looking for where's the cosine of x a half. That's the first value. Well, we know that's sort of right here at 60 degrees, where it's gone over a half and up √3/2. So what happens here? Now again, we're looking for where does it come over the x value, which is the cosine is always the first, come over a half. Well, went over a half up there, but also went over a half and down here, which is at 300 degrees, because remember right here is 270. So we have 300 degrees, it's going to be a half, and we have 60 degrees. So for this one, 60 degrees and 300 degrees. We have 4 solutions here, 60, 300, and 30, and 150. And you put them all together, there's your answer to number 15.